First go to Reports list, then select Equity, Derivatives Gain, Loss. Select Broker-wise Capital Gain Loss. Select Investment Type. Click on Selected Broker button. Select the broker. Click OK. Click Only Summary. Click Audit Report. Click OK. Then broker-wise gain, loss summary will be displayed. Go to Tool Utilities list. Select Auto CEN Pay Square Entry. Select only single broker. Click OK. Click Select Script button. Select single script at a time. Click OK. Click OK again. Now select Script Present FY Expiry Only. Click Save. Then click on Select Script button. Select another script. Click OK. Click OK again. Select Script. Click Save. Data saved successfully. Please check your records. Now verify your data. Select the broker. Click OK. Click Audit Report. Click OK. After that you will get your results. Kindly contact our support team for further assistance.